Trinity is one of the most essential and fundamental doctrine in Christianity. So it is very important that we should know the doctrine of Trinity and we should know how to defend it. There are many groups that deny this essential doctrine, but deny Trinity is denying the foundations of Christianity. Is Trinity beyond our comprehension? The simple answer is yes, it is beyond our comprehension. In this video we will look what is Trinity. Let's look at the doctrine of Trinity. There is one God. God is three persons. Each person is fully God. Trinity is not saying that there is three gods, and God is not having three forms. Many people mistake the doctrine of Trinity. Trinity is simply, one God, exists in three person, and each person is fully God. First person of the Trinity is the Father. He is the source of Godhead and all things. He is transcendent, uncaused, beyond mere existence. Second person of the Trinity is the Son, the Word of the Father. He is eternally begotten of the Father. He is uncreated, begotten, not made. His source is in the Father, and humans can only approach the Father through the Son. Third person of the Trinity is the Holy Spirit. He is neither begotten, nor created. He eternally proceeds from the Father. He is the active agent of God in the world. He is the God of the Church. He always existed. The members of the Trinity interact with each others. The Father sent the Holy Spirit like a dove onto the Son during baptism. The Son sent the Holy Spirit during the Pentecost. The Father created the world through the Son and the Holy Spirit. So there is interaction in the Trinity. All the persons in the Trinity are equally, fully God. They all are eternal and divine. They coexist as one God yet a separate person. They love one another, they have one nature. So in conclusion, there are three persons of one God, who coexist eternally as one God. Each is fully God and fully divine. The Holy Spirit and Son submit to the Father's authority. They find their source in Him, yet they have always existed. So again, there is one God. God is three persons. Each person is fully God. We had looked at Trinity shortly. In our coming videos we will delve more into it.